Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a playlist on Spotify. So create playlist here, and you are going to rename it by right clicking it and selecting rename. I'm just going to name the playlist Taylor Swift Therapy, Taylor Therapy, and I'm just going to search for songs or episodes. Or you can go to like your liked songs or search for it, for instance here, and right click on the song and add a playlist and select your playlist. And it's going to also recommend you songs to add. For instance, there's this one, I'm going to add it on the playlist. And that is how you can create a playlist on Spotify basically. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!